Hey up. Oh man, I'm so glad you're here. I've been meaning to get this off my chest for a while. I'm not proud of it, and it's not like I can't get it up. I just can't keep it up. You've probably realised, talking about this, my front wheel. Because if I'm honest, I still can't do a proper wheelie. If you're a mountain biker, you can either wheelie or you wish you could wheelie. Or stuck somewhere in between, and that's where I am, in between. I can wheelie a bit, but I just can't keep it up, man. So that's why I want to learn to do a proper wheelie. Although you might not think it, doing a wheelie can help when you need to lift your front wheel going up or down a trail. But more importantly, it can be used for looking rad in front of your bike mates. And talking of bike mates, here's one of mine now. This is Frag. Frag is one of the few riders I know that can wheelie, like proper wheelie, pretty much forever. He can wheelie uphill, he can wheelie downhill, he can even wheelie in circles. Alright mate, that's enough. So to set a realistic challenge, hopefully with a few tips from Frag, I'm gonna wheelie from this digger to this sign on the fence, with a distance of 22 metres or 72 feet. So if you're learning to wheelie, here's step 1. Find a bike mate who can wheelie. Based on me doing that and you doing it all way, yeah. What do I need to do different other than just balance?
I don't think I needed to feather brake then. But if you went up flat, you'd like feather brake.
So almost you're pedaling against your pads.
Yeah, like that bit of resistance. Yeah, that's a good way of describing it.
After that, this is where you need to start thinking about your technique. Which brings us on to step 2. Using your back brake. If you watch Frag on this clip, you can see you need your arms straight and you need to be leaning back. And with your weight in that position, you can use your back brake to stop the bike tipping over backwards while you're pedaling. So I can see how that works, but how do you stay straight? After noticing Frag pulling his knees out to try and balance, it became pretty obvious what step 3 was going to be. Use your knees, lad. Pulling your knees out to the side, right or left, keeps the bike straight while you're going forward. So sticking your left knee out stops you leaning right, and sticking your right knee out stops you leaning left. Right? Simple. Surely I've got to see some improvement. Took a few more goes than you can see here to get anywhere near succeeding. But after a good little session, finally cracked it. All thanks to my mate Frag. Cheers pal. Got a long way to go to get to his level, but I think I'm on the right road. Just gotta stick at it. If this has helped you with your wheelies, give us a thumbs up or leave us a comment. And subscribe so you don't miss out on any more videos like this. Can't wait to show lads my wheelies now. But don't tell them about my secret training.